What's up, everyone? Ever find yourself fumbling for tools mid-project? Today, we're showcasing the best tool pouches to keep your essentials within arm's reach and boost your productivity. These picks aren't just practical, they're built tough for any job. From compact designs to heavy-duty options, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description to grab yours, and be sure to subscribe to better and best products for more game-changing tool reviews. Southwire Pouch 4 Tool Pouch. In the top spot is the Southwire Pouch 4 Tool Pouch, featuring 5 sturdy leather pockets, ideal for electricians who require organized and accessible tool storage. Made from dark brown saddled leather, it resists stains and fading, ensuring a professional look. The design includes tapered compartments to securely hold tools in place and an electrical tape chain for easy access. A metal tool clip provides extra space for accessories, while the slide-on design allows it to attach to your work belt effortlessly. Backed by a 1-year warranty, this pouch offers reliable organization and durability for all-day use. Klein Tools 5240 Tool Pouch. Need a solution for efficient tool organization? The Klein Tools 5240 Tool Pouch includes 9 pockets for easy storage and an electrical tape thumb for quick access. Built from rugged 1,680 ballistic weave polyester, this pouch is both durable and lightweight. Its compact 10.25 by 5.5 by 10.25 inch size ensures convenience for on-the-go tasks, fitting securely onto 2-inch belts. Ideal for professionals needing essential tools on hand, this pouch enhances efficiency. With a 1-year warranty, it offers practical organization and a compact design that withstands daily wear and tear. Yoofan Tool Pouch. The Yoofan tool pouch provides ample storage with a spacious main pocket, 4 tool loops, screwdriver and drill bit pockets, and an electrical tape chain. Constructed from resilient 1,680D Oxford fabric, this pouch is ideal for electricians, carpenters, and gardeners. The adjustable belt ensures a comfortable fit, and its compact design offers easy access to essential tools without added weight. With options for various tool sizes and a dedicated hammer loop, it offers versatility and convenience for efficient work. Durable and easy to wear, this pouch is built to endure daily demands. A WP1 LL526-2 Tool Pouch. In the final spot is the AWP1 LL526-2 Tool Pouch, a high-quality organizer made from rugged oil-tanned leather, ideal for professionals who need reliable and secure tool storage. Reinforced with rivets, it features both interior and exterior pockets, providing ample space for vertical storage and easy access. Additional features include a tape holder, key fastener, and an electrical tape chain, making it versatile and practical. Designed to fit up to 3-inch wide belts, this pouch stays securely in place during work. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it's a dependable choice for those seeking long-lasting, professional-grade tool organization. We hope this video helps you find the perfect tool pouch. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.